wanted to show how I solved hiding my metal fence posts because I hate looking at them in the hardware. So this is a double gate. Opens up. Wheel. Metal back. But I hid that metal fence post right here on both sides. And all that hardware over there. I hid that behind a second double swinging gate. So I went looking around for ideas on how to do this. Couldn't find anything, so I made my own. So I just hinged down here and here off the back side of my post. Came off one of the boards. Tied two boards together right here, and then a spring to pull it back, and so it's independent from the main gate. So as the main gate opens, it independently slides. Tension is kept on the back side with the spring. Pulls it right back into place. So there's this side. Independent little flapper gate. Opens up with the main. Spring keeps it close and taut, hiding otherwise this big, ugly post that would drive me nuts. So pulls itself closed. Looks like part of the fence from a distance. Simple two boards tied together in the back with a quick hinge on the other side of the post that would otherwise be completely visible, and the spring to pull it back. And again, as the main gate opens on it, it just slides with it. And tension is here. I had to put a pole here to keep take the extra space. But it just goes through. Right there. Opens up. Just tied to the fence. Nice and simple, spring loaded. Hinged on the other side of the post to keep the spacing. Hiding what would otherwise be clearly visible from the street. Spring loaded, snaps it back. Simple, easy, cheap to put up. And you would never know it by looking from the street that there were two little flapper gates on the side. So that was my fix for hiding the fence posts. After looking around and not finding any real ideas, I made my own. Hope that helps. Thanks all.